Meet Bob. Bob manages his uninterrupted power supply batteries for his company's data centers and facilities. Bob has a lot of responsibility resting on his shoulders to ensure that the backup power systems and batteries perform when needed. Unplanned battery failures can hurt his company's reputation and lead to lost revenue, costly downtime which keeps Bob up at night. He is tired of dealing with all the challenges inherent with his batteries, including the unplanned maintenance, multitude of suppliers nationally, and unexpected costs. Bob goes to sleep and has a dream of a single supplier that can solve all his headaches and let him sleep at night, the Battery Informer. The Battery Informer solution offers Bob an enterprise management offering which gives him a trusted battery supplier from cradle to grave. Just then, Bob's wife gives him a shove and asks him to stop snoring. The next day, Bob wakes up to a new reality and comes to work to see the Battery Informer Narada solution being implemented with batteries, monitoring, installation, and annual services. He now can replace his batteries every 5 years versus 3 to 4 years today. With this battery solution, Bob also gets a full 5-year warranty on his batteries, so Bob always knows his total cost of ownership. No hidden expenses. Bob is pleased to get direct access to an $850 million publicly traded manufacturer of high-rate batteries and services, a worldwide leader. Plus, Bob can purchase his batteries as a battery power purchasing agreement to help spread the cost of the batteries and services out over a monthly payment plan. Bob's CFO is very pleased. Bob can now sleep at night knowing the Battery Informer Narada solution is watching his data center and facilities batteries 24/7, and his customers and boss are happy. Bob is super excited and beaming with pride. Welcome to the new norm of enterprise battery management and maintenance. Please contact us for more information.